Ooh, here I am, out before the sun goes down. Oh, you can see it's heading that direction. We're out on the Appalachian Trail every day. Go on. Sorry, I was trying to get the dog to move forward. He probably thought I was talking to him. Anyhow, so I wanted to talk a little bit about stress relief. And one of the things I like to do when I'm out here is take a deep breath in. And then let it out with some sound. Oh, sorry, dog's getting tangled. Here we go. I need to shorten his leash. We have a long leash. Anyhow, yeah. So take a deep breath in. Breathe it in. Feel your whole body expand. And then, the deep exhale. Do that a few times to really help release the tension. Make some sound. Ooh, I see some deer running through the woods. Let me see if I can turn the... Oh, the button's not functioning well. They're gone. Bummer. Yeah. Deer are still really active, and now with all the leaves and the vegetation pretty much out there, you see them a lot more, which is nice. I enjoy the wildlife. So anyhow, this time of year, I always feel like I'm not just managing myself, but what I call the atmospheric conditions of the holidays. So it's just like I can feel the tension in the air, and so some extra self-care is really important. And nature is a great aid in helping to release it. So get out there, go for a walk, do some deep breathing, grounded in the earth, feeling your steps, your body and your breath, and make some sound. Breathe it in. Oh, let that go. Yeah, feels better already. I'll see you soon.